Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to play Spotify on Discord bot. So guys, at first you need to add about to your server. So open your browser, tap on the search bar and search pancake.gg. Now tap on invite bot. Now select here your server name. Then tap on continue. Tap on authorize. Now go to your Discord server. And guys, as you can see, the Pancake bot has been added to the server. So now it's time to play Spotify songs here. So for that, now I'm gonna opening my Spotify. And I'm copying the song link. And then type P, type exclamation mark, and type play. And now paste the Spotify song link here and hit enter. And guys, that's how you will able to play Spotify song on Discord bot. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.